Another quick video here just to show you how to mess with a YouTube video a little bit to make it easier to watch. Now, since we're going to be home between my class and other classes, you may end up watching a lot of YouTube. You may be watching a lot of YouTube anyway, but a little bit of educational YouTube. When you're watching a YouTube video that's educational, sometimes it can be overwhelming. Maybe they talk too fast, maybe the words are too big. Whatever it is, there's a few things you can do on YouTube to make it easier. So I'm going to play this video just for about 10 seconds so you can hear them talking. I'm going to just kind of go to the middle.
So where am I going with this? Well, cells have to make ATP energy. It doesn't really matter what kind of cell you are, prokaryote or eukaryote, you have to make ATP energy.
Okay, so that's how it is normally. Now I'm going to back it back up to where we were, and I'm going to show you what it's like if we change it. Down here in this little corner, there's a couple things. One is this CC. This means closed captioning, which means subtitles are going to start popping up. So as you're listening, it's going to show you the words of this video. Also over here, this little gear that says HD, if you click it and you go to playback speed, you can make it slower or make it faster. So if they're talking too fast for you, you can decrease it. Now it's going to make them sound a little bit weird, but you might be able to understand them better, especially if they're going fast. So let's drop her to half speed, and we've got our subtitles on. Now let's listen to the video.
So where am I going with this? Well, cells have to make ATP energy. It doesn't really matter what kind of cell you are.
Now I know for this video she's going really slow, but that's because she doesn't talk that fast to begin with. But some education YouTubers, they talk really fast, and you might want to slow them down. Now, just for fun, because we're already here, let's see what happens if we make her go double speed.
Prokaryote or eukaryote, you have to make ATP energy. The process for making that ATP energy can be different depending on the type of cell, but you have to make ATP energy. One way that this can be done efficiently.
So you can watch the video faster too if you want to. These are just a couple things that can make watching a YouTube video a little bit easier. With the words down here, you can pause it and see exactly what she just said. And with being able to speed up or slow down, you can hear it the way you want to hear it.